So you guys heard about a scroll compressor. Now you get to hear a scroll compressor. This thing's on while I'm talking to you right now. This thing will charge up to about 145 PSI in about 3 minutes. We've been selling this for a couple of years, and we've had customers call in about things they wanted to change, problems they've had with it, whatever it may be. We listen to every one of those and we make changes. I want to talk to you about some of the upgrades that we have in this compressor right now. Before we talk about these improvements, let's dive a little deeper into what a scroll is. You probably have a compressor right now, piston compressor in your shop. You know the benefits of that, you know the drawbacks. Noise, biggest issue, that's the one thing you got to agree with. What is it? It's no different than your automobile engine. You got a piston moving up and down. So what's a scroll? Why do you want it? The scroll itself here is a rotary pump. So it's designed to run 24/7. This one here is warranted up to 100,000 hours on the pump life itself. It doesn't make noise because you're not truly pumping air and you're not changing piston directions here. You're just compressing that air, moving it through the system itself. This is going to give you the benefits of 12.7 CFM at 63 decibel. What you heard just a moment ago in the video is nothing. That's me right aside of it. Imagine if I'm on the other side of my garage, blast cabinet there. You barely know it's running. So we've launched the QST-30 in 2017. A lot of customers have been very happy with the unit. However, we've had a couple that haven't, and we listened to that feedback and we've addressed those issues. The issue was moisture. The moisture separator right here, depending on use and humidity, can saturate. The collected moisture in there can then drain down into the oil tank. The oil can emulsify, run through the system, and cause problems. This unit you're looking at right here is our 3.0, our latest design revision of the scroll compressor. This is eliminated. No longer is that an issue. Automatic drain is installed right here. If the moisture separator saturates with water, it's automatically rerouted, drained from the filter, and collected into this canister. Once the canister fills up, could take a week, could take 3 months, you simply empty it. So we've thought about all of our scroll owners. We designed this automatic drain here to be retrofit and field installed in any of the units that are out there. So anyone experiencing this moisture issue now can simply contact us, pick up one of these drain kits, solve the issue for you permanently. Additionally, we have a circuit interrupter installed on these new units now. If the motor draws excess amperage or if temperatures reach parameters that are outside of their norm, the unit will go into a shutdown. So that's the improvements that we've made to the new scroll here. We've identified the issues, we've listened to the customers, we've made the improvements. You can now buy with confidence that you're not going to experience any of these prior issues. And anybody that has the units right now, you can now upgrade to the automatic drain and eliminate any of the moisture issues that may occur. So if you want to learn more about the scroll or purchase the upgraded automatic drain kit, click the link below. For any of the other tools or Eastwood products, visit eastwood.com.